For this part, let's just set it up like this. Now, let me configure the settings. Regarding the load, we will apply a surface pressure, set it to -200. Then we apply a fixed constraint to the other side. Now, let's perform the meshing. For the mesh size, let's set it to, let me think, what value should we use? Set it to 3. Then for the inner circle, we'll set it to 1. Generate a mesh. This is still a bit coarse. Let's make it a bit finer. Let's set most of the regions to 1. Next, we will proceed with the solution. To solve it, we'll define this job as, name the job -30. As we can see, the results are already out. Let's examine the results. The values are quite significant, and there is stress. There is a stress concentration here. Since one side is fixed and the other is under tension, it is not perfectly symmetrical. This is a normal phenomenon, so don't worry too much about it. Now, what we need to do is close the ODB.
Focus on various issues in finite element analysis. For more related professional knowledge, please follow my YouTube channel or click on the relevant links of each video to learn.